Hello friends, we meet again. Today, we will learn about the names of fruits. Let's get started. This is a banana. The fruit is not very big and it is usually yellow in color. This is a strawberry. The fruit is small and its color is red. This is apple. The fruit is round in shape and its color is red. This is orange. It is round, almost like an apple, and its color is yellow. This is a pear. Its color is green, but sometimes it can also be yellow. This is a mango. The fruit is a bit large and its color can be yellow or green. This is a papaya. It is big and can be green or yellow. Inside, it has soft orange flesh and tiny black seeds. Papayas are sweet and very healthy. This is a melon. It is big and yellow. Melons are sweet and juicy, so yummy! This is a pineapple. Its size is larger than a mango and its color is green. This is a watermelon. It is big and green. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.